Want smooth 1080p gaming on a budget? Here's how to build a powerful gaming PC under 50,000 rupees. Let's go! For the brain, go with Intel Core i3 12100F or Ryzen 5 5500, paired with a B660 or B450 motherboard. Framed picture GPU, graphics card, choose GTX 1650, RX 6500 XT, or a used GTX 1660 Super for solid performance without breaking the bank. Floppy disk RAM and storage. Get 16GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 MHz, and a 500GB NVMe SSD for fast boot and game loads. PSU and cabinet. Pick a 450W550W80 plus bronze PSU and a basic airflow-focused cabinet, style plus cooling on a budget. Check mark conclusion. That's your 50,000 rupees beast. Great for Valorant, GTA 5, Fortnite, and more. Like plus follow for full build links.